Hello beautiful and welcome. Today I would like to do an update tour of my kitchen. Especially I want to show you an update of my golden pothos and a few other plants that I have in my kitchen. So it's kind of like plant update and kitchen update combinations. So this is the overview. By the way, happy Memorial Day, all the beautiful people out there. My plan was invading my countertop, so I'm going to show you what I did to get my space back for cutting and cooking on my countertop. So in my kitchen I use a lot of Hello Kitty kitchen appliances for easy cooking. I have my, this one is my slow cook, and that's a waffle maker. That's for me to carry my juice. And this is an ice cream maker that I haven't used it yet, and I'm gonna use it with my daughter. And way in the back in this corner I have a crystal clear jar to carry my rice in, and I have my crackers. It's chicken flavor crackers. I eat it alone by itself or when I'm having soup. On the window I created a little garden sills, window sills. Basically I only have two types of plants in there. It's propagating. This is a neon pothos, and that's the golden pothos cutting from the mother golden pothos plant. And I have angels, baby angels to help me cook. And I have this Mama Bear drinking bottle, glass bottle, and treats holder. I love a lot of glass and crystal in my kitchen beside Hello Kitty appliances. And this is the plant. It was propagating in water. Now I have it here, transported in here, and it's not doing too well. It was doing well when it was in the water. Here more Hello Kitty appliances for my kitchens. That's a coffee maker, a quesadilla and a pancake maker. And I do a lot of DIY. We have this, what I call picture framing hangings, that you can replace different type of pictures. Just it has a little clips that we put. My daughter and I made them, but she usually watched me make some of them. But we did this together. I was not planning to be in the video because my hair is not good looking, but you can see a little bit of me there in the Hello Kitty DIY mirror that my daughter decorated all by herself. That's another DIY. On top of refrigerators, just storage. And also I keep my pasta in this decorative clear glass jar. One of them has strawberry on it. The other one say hello summer. It's almost summer. When it's not summer, I face the hello summer words the other way. And this is my favorite heart-shaped pasta. Some extra flour if I need to use it. for some type of special occasions. Hello Kitty cookie box. More cutting plants in water. I like to place a lot of my bottles in water. Hello Kitty jar, jello. Well, now that blue bow my daughter decorated, supposed to be go on the Hello Kitty mirror, but she don't want to put it on. So it goes perfectly right there above my stove. And this is my rice cooker. Eventually I'm gonna get a Hello Kitty rice cooker because this one's very huge. But it could do a lot of stuff. Like you can do your brown rice, your white rice, and then you have your quick rice. I don't know what that means. Slow cook, I did that pretty good. And keep it warm, smart steam. And it beeps when it's done cooking. This is my sandwich press. So I make grilled cheese in it. This is my cupcake maker. On here we have picture collage. My daughter and I on Hello Kitty. Favorite Hello Kitty. Her birth certificate. It's a magnet. Some more Hello Kitty kitchen appliances for easy cooking. So we have my toaster. So all these Hello Kitty kitchen appliances, when you cook your food in, usually Hello Kitty face or logos like impressed in your food. Here's my sushi and sandwich or rice ball makers. I have some vintage collections. I like old and new items in my house. So now we're gonna take a look at the plant. But first, I just want to show you my apron. Oops. This is mine. And this is my daughter. I DIY that. Oh yeah. In front of the refrigerator, we have this. Actually, I have a few more to show. Like this board for my note, and my daughter birth certificate, strawberry shortcake calendar. Maybe I should open up a little bit in the cabinet because I never show it. The cereal, my baking stuff, my drinking glass. I'm going to replace this to a diamond crystal thing. And here we have, I have 3 sets of plates. One of them is like just gold and beige color, and the other set is like beachy decor because I like beach stuff. And then my daughter, she has her own set. It's blue, her favorite color. So we'll close that, and maybe I'll show you one more. Those just like my baking, I'm sorry, my baking stuff for breakfast, for like pancake. And up there is like, it's for holidays. So we'll close that. And my freezer, summer, my daughter's coming, so I'm stocking like a lot of food for my freezer. I still need to go get like more ice cream. I do have some ice cream in there already, but we eat a lot of ice cream, and we're gonna make our own ice cream too. And we're gonna get a lot of fruits and drinks. I already have a lot of water, and I have my Hello Kitty egg holder. A lot of stuff going on here. So now I'm going to show you the mother plant. My golden pothos that I'm very proud of. She was invading my counter space, so I put her up on the ceiling. Now I'm happy I can cook and cut, prepare my food, and I think she is happy up there too, because I noticed she's growing faster. Yep. So that's just cutting from the mother plant in there, hanging down there, and that corner too, a lot of cuttings. That's also cutting from her. The cutting, I usually put it in water because I like it, and you don't have to like water that often too when you do that. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my kitchen and plant that live inside my kitchen update tour, and I will talk to you next time. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful, and happy Memorial Day.